When we were bound, he added another chain. When we were suffering, he added another grief. When we were lost, in a house of mirrors, he spun us round and added another mirror. Don't ask me about prayer rocks. Any place I put my head is a prayer rock. Don't talk of direction. All 6 directions face him: gardens, flames, nightingale, whirling dance, and brotherhood. Throw all these away and throw yourself into his love. Be off and know that the way of lovers is opposite all other ways. Lies from the friend are better than truth and kindness from others. For him, the impossible is commonplace. Punishment is reward, tyranny is justice, slander is the highest praise. His harshness is soft, his blasphemy is sacred. The blood that drips from the beloved's thorn is sweeter than roses and basil. When he's bitter, it's better than a candy shop. When he turns his head away, it's all hugs and kisses. When he says, "By God, I've had enough of you," it's like an eternal spring, flowing from the fountain of life. A no from his lips is 1,000 times yes. On this selfless path, he acts like a stranger, yet he's your dearest friend. His infidelity is faith, his stones are jewels, his holding back is giving, his ruthlessness is mercy. You may laugh at me and say, "The path you're on is full of curves." Yes, for the curve of his eyebrow, I have traded in my soul. This curvy path has gotten me drunk. I cannot say another word. Carry on, my glorious heart. Finish the poem in silence. O Shams, Lord of Tabriz, what sweetness you pour upon me. All I need do is open my mouth, and all your songs flow out. Those to Mecca, on pilgrimage, when reached their destined stage, saw a home made out of stone, amidst the desert carnage. In that house they sought God, yet empty they found that cage. Discharged their dutiful prayers, from the stone heard a message. O idol worshippers, why praise mud and stone? Worship only the house that is praised by the sage. That house of God is the abode of the heart. Blessed are those whom to the heart made their pledge. They walk their path, upright and straight, unlike Wheel of Fortune's hunched revolving age. Those who landed in the state of singular intelligence, no longer placed, the other on a separate page. The group who only saw the stony house, like a satanic cult God disparage. Whoever found a glimpse of that house in this, not even in the heavens would seek tutelage. Wearing pilgrim's garb, going around this house, leave body, head, heart, and soul to pay homage. The tribe that found God only in a friend, they are the keys to that house upon the ledge. Hope and compassion reside in the real house. Those who turned to love found their wage. In spite of obstacles, they are in the house of love, who amidst both worlds, their bets on beloved hedge. Even the archangels are in awe of resurrection after such rampage. Blessed are those who, like Shams Tabriz, remained within, far from desert's rage. Thy beloved is thy neighbor, behind the wall. Lost in the desert, you are seeking and you fall. If that lovely faceless face you once see, pilgrim and shrine and house, you know are all thee. From house to house you sought for proof, yet never ascended up to the roof. If it is the house of soul you seek, in the mirror see the face that's meek. If you've been to the garden, where is your bunch? And where your soulful pearl? If at sea you lunch, with all this pain, where is your gain? The only veil, yourself, remain. Hidden treasure chest, buried in soil. Why let dark clouds, full moon spoil? King of the world, to you will show magical shapes, in spirit you grow. You who seek God apart, the thing you seek, thou art. Why then search for what you have not lost? Searching for what's not lost, distrust. Thou art the letters, names, and the book. Prophets and angels your word undertook. Just sit still, this futile search let go. You are the house, master and foe, essence and form, celestial and from earth, always eternal, in death and at birth. If you want to see the beloved's face, polish the mirror, gaze into that space. In these truths, the secrets you weave are your punishments, yourselves deceive. Shams Tabrizi is the world emperor. Seekers of his grace are behind which door this gracious king showers you with gifts. Unbeknownst to you, your souls uplifts. That barbed wire on your path is the mind. Cut the wire and your path clearly find. Heart trickster, soul veil, and mind bind. To find the path you must put all three behind. When you transcend heart and soul, as well as mind, it is like giving sight to the blind. Make your chest like a target, well defined. That bow is strung, the arrow is well aligned. Only that chest in complaint can open tongue, on whose face 100 arrows have been flung. To think love is for the feeble is just wrong. Love is for the courageous and the strong. Self-expression to the needy don't belong. Benevolent love is the path for old and young. If like Enoch must follow the angelic song, we'll find love on that ladder in every rung. Shams Tabriz is here, joyous and kind. Gospel of love in his being you will find. O seeker, these thoughts have such power over you. From nothing you become sad, from nothing you become happy. You are burning in the flames, but I will not let you out until you are fully baked, fully wise, and fully yourself.